more bored than I am. But yeah, I think this is the first time I've ever gotten myself on video because I'm so bad about myself. But enough about me, now about Bailey. What's wrong, Bailey? There's magic down gone. Do you want a treat? Oh, look at your treat, yeah? You want a treat? Come on, puppy!
Fail. I'm bored. Somebody entertain me. I'm gonna die if I don't get something to do. What is this thing around my neck? Take it off of me. Strange, doggy, you. Take this off of me, please. If you don't take it off, I will die. Please take it off. Please take it off. Try to, please. Please, I'm going to die. No, not my head. It's my head. What's wrong with you? Look what you did, Bailey. You killed it. Is it even alive still? Oh my god. Okay, well. That never happened, okay? We're just going to hide the evidence so that doesn't happen. Here's the flower thing. Okay. It's gone. We don't have to worry about anything anymore. Okay? Freaking dog food! Oh my gosh! Freaking dog bones! Oh my gosh!